So I was scrolling on YouTube once again just to find a video to react to. Big B meets D Light, Thomas Unhinged Shorts by Landon's Animation Wheelhouse. Let's check it out. It looked crazy from the preview that I got. Already getting into it, and it is insane. What was a flame? Oh, it's Thomas.
Just in time, Big B. Thanks.
They have the OG faces. I love that.
Thanks again, Big B.
I got you, Thomas.
Why does Bro sound like an AI
and
narrator?
I got you too.
Help me, Big B.
Dang, Bro left him.
Well. It looks like we finally found your weakness. You must weigh like, what, 10 billion pounds?
Wow, that's crazy.
Maybe you should have laid off the coal a bit more.
Hey, isn't
Fat
that
shaming a
Percy?
train is insane.
Huh? Where? Hey, wait, wasn't there a...
Don't worry about it.
Well, sorry to inform you, big
What
guy,
did he
but
do?
you don't scare us on this side of the track.
Help me.
What is this? Like kidnapping Thomas?
End of the tracks for me.
That's crazy. You could probably just fly or something.
Tracks. Come on, man. Tracks is a mindset.
And who are you?
Right on, man. You can call me D Light. Now, come on,
Assuming
man.
it's a
Follow
really
me.
light train.
I'll get you to your little friend.
He's got...
Let me go.
Dude, the OG whistling is amazing.
Where are we?
Don't worry, we'll take care of you.
The diesel trains are so annoying.
Where are you?
Serious.
And that's why you never give a squirrel your spare key. Smells good, man. Four banjos and 12 enchiladas later, Uncle Molly lost the match. Which would have been fine
During
if
the
George
back?
wasn't also the fire marshal man.
Tell me about it.
Meanwhile, Thomas is getting like beat up.
Hello, Thomas. Just one more stop, and then you'll get to meet the big boss.
Their faces are hilarious. I remember like they're giggling.
Where's your big buddy now?
Oh, there he is.
All right, who's next?
You saved me. Thanks. How did you even
It
get
took
here?
a long time to save him.
Hey man, every road has some rail in it. You just have to look for it.
I like this guy.
Right on, man.
I see you, Thomas. I got you. Wait till my friends get here. Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Hey, Tommy, I'd look the other way if I was you.
Yeah, okay. Dude, that was amazing.
Now we gotta go help people customize and save hundreds with